awesome, people. Ever had those video editing woes where things are just too complicated? Your savior has arrived, and it's called Flexclip. Now, if you've ever tried cutting a movie clip or making a slideshow in an instant, you'd know it's not a piece of cake. But what if it could be? With Flexclip, it's as easy as pie. No, make that a piece of candy. Diving deep into Flexclip. Flexclip is more than just your regular video editing tool. Imagine having a super assistant who can cut, trim, add voiceovers, animations, watermarks, and do a gazillion other things without asking for a coffee break. Flexclip is to video editing what Batman is to Gotham, saving the day with features including easy storyboarding, many stock assets, and robust editing capabilities. A closer look at the exclusive deal from Appsumo. Regular pricing? Brace yourselves. It's around a whopping $400. But guess what? It is available to you for just $69 with this lifetime offer. Yep, you heard it right. It's not a typo. And this isn't just for any plan, but for the Flexclip Basic Plan. Let's do a quick rundown. Flexclip Basic Plan. For a mere $69, originally a staggering $400, you get video editor, movie maker, slideshow creator. No annoying Flexclip intros. Unlimited video downloads. 5,000 plus professionally designed templates. Text-to-speech. Alt-text-to-video. Alt-text-to-image. 720p HD downloads. Advanced editing. Make videos in 8 languages. And the list goes on and on. Seriously, it's longer than a Monday. Get 10% extra savings at Appsumo today. Attention all video enthusiasts. Set your sights on the Flexclip lifetime deal at Appsumo because I've got some sizzling inside info just for you. Hot discount alert, extra 10% off. Hold on to your hats. On top of that jaw-dropping $69 deal, you can actually pinch an extra 10% off. For those crunching numbers, that's like a double layer of discounts. Yummy! Here's your step-by-step guide to those delicious savings. Head on over to Appsumo's Flexclip lifetime deal page. Keep an eye out for that sneaky little pop-up bar. Enter your most used email address. Yes, the one you check every 5 minutes. Remember, stick with that email when grabbing the deal. Drumroll! Check your inbox for that golden 10% off ticket. Drop the mic and pick up the deal. Why are you still here? Dive in and bask in those savings. 5 features that make Flexclip famous. All-in-one video creation. Flexclip is a comprehensive web tool that enables users to create videos, movies, and slideshows quickly and easily. Dynamic clip editing. Users can swiftly cut and enhance video clips with text and voice recordings, making their videos more engaging and impactful. Powerful editing tools. Flexclip offers robust editing tools that grant users full control over their videos. This includes customizing video appearance, adding background music, and more. Abundant media resources. The platform provides access to a vast library of stock images, videos, and music, along with professionally designed templates. Flexible editing features. Flexclip offers flexibility in editing, allowing users to trim, split, add text animations, music, watermarks, and more to their videos. High-resolution export. Users can export their videos in high resolutions, ensuring the final output is of top-notch quality, suitable for professional use. Who should jump on this Flexclip train? All you rising YouTubers out there? Small businesses looking to make a splash. Course creators aiming to captivate their students. And anyone else who wishes to flex their video magic. Real reviews, no fakesies. All right, folks, let's spill the tea. Real users are raving about Flexclip, giving it a glittering 4.80 star rating. Let's see why. The clock is ticking. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, you have 2 months to decide if Flexclip is your jam. But I'll bet my last piece of chocolate that you'll love it. So, are you ready to make movie magic? Dive into Flexclip? Check out the description, unwrap all the features, and grab the lifetime deal before it poof, vanishes. If this peek into Flexclip tickled your fancy and you'd like more tech insights and hilarious reviews, don't be shy, smash that like button, share the love, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech magic, and remember, keep flexing with Flexclip.